una bella ozo, which is you're welcome again. Or you say ndewo, whichever one. I would use the word una bella. Unu abella.
Yeah, we are live again today.
Us.
Why?
Don't go far, you're not in the camera. Be on that spot.
Na Saturday.
Yeah, that's fine.
China
people, we are here.
Ehihie ọma. Where?
Ehihie
ọfọrọ mgbede ọma. Nwa kwọrọ mụ n'aka. Anyị laghachi na ihe ndị anyị na ihe ndị na-ahụ unu ahụtụ ihe na-atọ ụtọ na ya. Some things are very sweet and nice. You can recognize a few of them na English words, right? But you can learn them in Igbo. We'll be learning names of things, so it's easy to use them. Caleb, Noji. Just look here, okay? Yeah. The first things we could learn today, there will be a song at the end, which we would use to, at the end, somewhere in between, yes. This is a bird in English, right? A bird. A bird. In Igbo, it's called no. Say that.
No.
Other?
No.
Other?
No.
Let me ask, what is a bird in Igbo? No. So, and we call almost Hanile the same, like all the birds. We don't have names like that and that. That could be just for a few, but many of the birds, they answer what? No. So that's birds. In fact, in English, they are all called birds, except if you want to be specific, like that's an eagle and that's a bird and that's a parrot. Yeah, you start going that. But in Igbo, we classify all of them as what? No. You begin to learn them. The next one, ununile gama, dog. You know you have dogs everywhere, right? You have dogs.
I don't even have a dog at home.
Not at your home, but everywhere around you. People, your neighbors all have dogs, right? Then dog in Igbo is called what? Nketa. Say that.
Nketa.
Everybody go. Want to go?
Nketa.
Also?
Nketa.
Nketa. Say it, Caleb.
Nketa.
Nketa. Let me hear you.
Nketa.
Not K. Nke.
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 Ta.
Say that.
Nke.
Not K. K.
Ki.
Yeah. Nke.
Ta.
Let me hear you. K.
Ki.
Ta.
Ta.
Nketa. Go.
Nketa.
Oh, it's not nketa. It's nketa. It's like you're saying E. That the word E for Igbo. Nketa. Yeah, you can say that.
Nketa.
Say it, Elijah.
Nketa.
Good job. Go away. One.
Nketa.
Nketa. Nketa. If I say it in Igbo, I will say kuyozo. Kuya means
Say it again.
Or say it again. Kuya ozo. Nketa. Alright, let us recap. In Igbo, what is a bird? Everybody, want to go?
No.
What is a dog?
Nketa.
Again?
Nketa.
Alright, the next one I got now will be tree.
Balo.
A tree. A tree, not the fruit on the tree, but the tree. The
the
tree
tree.
in Igbo is called OCC. It's called what?
OCC.
Other?
OCC.
Other?
OCC.
OCC. And OCC niile nwere ihe nọ na, like if you can eat anything from the OCC, that is the fruit of the tree, right? The fruits. Yeah, the fruits of the tree is called mkporo OCC. Mkporo. So fruit on its own. Only fruits. Listen. Yeah, the fruit is called mkporo. It's called what? It's called what? Mkporo. Let's go. Now that is fruit. But and we say that because you can hear that in many aspects. For instance, okay. You may be hearing some people say, if you study hard, you will reap the fruits of hard work, right? So, if you're saying that in Igbo, that same fruit is still mboro. So that's why I'm giving you what fruit is. You can use it in any context. But when you come to the tree, fruit of a tree, that's when we call it mboro osisi. Because osisi is the tree, mboro is the fruit. If you combine the two, you now have mboro osisi. Every fruit comes from a tree.
Tree fruit.
It's not tree fruit. It's not. You can say that from already you understand it. Like the apple you eat, the banana, they all come from a tree. Yeah, they come from a tree. So banana, plantain, banana, cherry.
Banana.
Yes, mangoes. It's not banana. Mangoes, oranges, lime, lemon, they're all fruits, right? Fruits.
How about
alright, now how do you say fruits in Igbo? And when you are now referring to the fruits that you eat, which is from a tree, you now call it mboro osisi. Everybody, want to go?
mboro osisi?
Other?
Mboro osisi.
Other?
Mboro osisi.
Good. Mboro osisi. Now, ofu mboro osisi ahụ bụ nke a na-akpọ apple na English.
Apple. Oh, and also peanut tree.
A ga-abịa ebe ahụ. Ya ka a na-akpọ ube. Nke I'm getting you an assignment after today. Okay. You all have an assignment when you go home.
Me?
Not you. These three. I have to get one assignment. And the assignment would be to label the things in your house in Igbo. Everything. Put a label on them.
We have an assignment.
Yeah, like from your door. The door is called Ozo. You know, your TV is Inyo. So work with your parents who need everything in your house.
What about your
the names?
What about PS5?
Okay, that is
the or device.
But I'm talking of the ones that is easy to remember. Even what you're wearing right now, these ones.
Shirt.
In Igbo we call them efe.
Jeans are type of efe.
We call them what?
Efe.
So for the men it's efe nwoke. Actually. Don't forget. What did I say boys are?
Okay.
Everybody. Boys are what?
Okay.
Girls are what?
Wani.
So when you remember what I said the clothes is? Efe. Efe. Alright. I don't want to go too far. So let's just finish here because there's a lot to learn in Igbo and it's good. Now you see another thing here, you see a car. And a car in Igbo is called what?
Ubala.
I'm just gonna teach you this a little bit before we go back to what we've done. Obala is what?
Car.
Obala is car. And who is holding the Obala?
Okay.
You can see that's a boy. Okay. Who is that? Is it a Woke or wine?
Wani.
Oja
People have seen one. I thought it was one.
Oh yeah,
Pussycat.
No. Nko agene.
Pussycat.
Yeah.
Pussycat. I think it
That's
was
what I call it.
described
Yeah,
like
pussy
that.
is cat.
It was described like
Pussy.
that.
It's not pussy.
Pussy.
You see cat is
Because
different.
that's
That's the one in English. So it's pussy. Say it, everybody. Pussy. If you say that to your father, they are gonna laugh. Once you see a car, you say, Daddy, lay pussy. Daddy, look at the car. Daddy, Nam, the pussy.
But my dad's allergic to those cats.
I'm not saying you bring the cat to your father. Because you will certainly see cats, right? You will see cat everywhere. Cat on the road. We even have one that keeps roaming around here. Cat. Yeah, that's how they learn how to call it.
If you have cats.
Or you're gonna see this one. Everybody want to go? Other? No. No. Say it again. Let me hear you.
Nketa.
No. Say it again.
No.
No. Nketa. Say that.
Nketa.
Correct. Also?
Nketa.
Also?
Nketa.
Good. High five. Why? Why? Whenever you're walking on the street and you see that, I would prefer you use the word to dogs because you are still learning Igbo, right? So learning the words and using them. Alright, Ozola. Alright, as a form of revision, let's revise. What is good morning in Igbo?
Otutu ọma.
And what is good morning, my father?
Otutu ọma nam.
Let's say it again. What is good morning, my father?
Otutu ọma nam.
What is good morning, my good father?
Otutu ọma nam ọma.
Good. Again?
Otutu ọma nam ọma.
What is good afternoon in Igbo?
Ehihie ọma.
What is good afternoon, my mother?
Ehihie ọma nnem.
Say it again.
Ehihie ọma nnem.
What is good afternoon, my good mother?
Ehihie ọma nnem ọma.
Nice one. What is good evening, my father? Good evening.
Mbegede ọma nna.
Ozo?
Mbegede ọma nna.
Uy, I'm not coming in. Uno dosari ha. I'll allow your brother to use it. Okay. What is good evening, my father? Go.
Mbegede ọma nna.
Mgbede ọma nnam. Say it.
Mbegede ọma nna.
Onye ọbụla kwuo ya. 1, 2, go.
Mbegede ọma nna.
And what is good evening, my good father?
Mbegede ọma nna ọma.
Did you use this weekend? Did you?
Yes.
You said mgbede ọma nnam ọma.
Yes.
Great.
And Abalioma.
Yeah, we all did that.
Otutuoma and Hehihe.
Yeah.
Great. And what is good night, my mother?
Abalioma nnem.
What is good evening, my good mother? Good night, my good mother.
Abalioma nnem ọma.
Good mother.
Abalioma nnem ọma.
Name Mama. And how do I say you say this when you want to say it? With a smile on your face.
And the soft voice.
Soft
voice.
That's talking
Happy.
happy.
Correct. It's talking gently. That is good. Now, I will go to the song.
Yay!
Where is my mouse? There you go. Let's hope you please don't deceive it. Alright.
Can we dance?
You're gonna learn it. Listen.
Good morning, Mama. Good afternoon, Mama. Good evening, Mama.
Good night, Mama. Good morning, Mama. Good afternoon, Mama. Good evening, Mama. Good night, Mama. Yes. Yes.
That just fell out of the sky.
Learn the music. Let's go. Good morning.
Good morning, Mama.
Good afternoon. Good evening.
Good evening,
Good night.
Yeah, why are their legs shaking?
Because they want to go to sleep. I'm going to repeat it. Let's go.
I don't want to shake my legs when I go to sleep.
Just learn the song.
Yeah,
Alright. It's a reminder. Let's go. Good morning, Mama. Good afternoon. Good evening, Bumbedama. Good night, Iguabaliama. Ehiyama. Bumbedama. Good night, Iguabaliama. Yeah. This is what you have already learned. Okay. Don't be my drama. Just let me learn. Everybody, once a good morning. Good morning, Otutuama. Good afternoon, Ehiyama. Good evening, Bumbedama. Good night, Iguabaliama. Again. Good morning, Otutuama. Good afternoon, Ehiyama. Good evening, Bumbedama. Good night, Iguabaliama. Okay. Oh my God. Alright. Clap for yourself. Okay. We will be doing. Yeah. I got you, man. We'll got break. Go and have some time play. We have 5 minutes of break, and then we will be back. Okay?
Okay.
5 minutes break.
Then we will do canoe?
Yes, we
Daddy,
will go
could you
there.
put the song on?
We'll be right back.
I'll put this on for to continue singing, yeah?
Yeah.
Alright, go,
The kids
yeah.
are
I'll put this on
going
to
on a
continue
break.
singing. Go for your break.
Maybe put some song to
Yeah,
keep
the
your
song
live
is-
viewers
Yeah, the song is-
entertained.
Can you quickly check the score?
The game? You and football. My
Thank
God,
you for the
brother
like, Miss
like
Summer. Thank you for joining
football.
us on the
Okay,
low.
let's play the song
Timothy.
from a
Hi, bro. How are you?
oh.
Timothy.
Tim.
Here.
Tim, what's up, bro?
He's watching from FYP.
Oh my God, FYP, you not even there. Everything on TikTok.
What are you taking me for?
Hey.
I'll shock you one day.
Nah, shock.
Thank God I'm saying it on your life.
Shock.
And it will shock you.
You shock me, your own people. See, you're learning Igbo from me, yeah?
Good morning, Toma. Good afternoon, Wahiyama. Good evening, Bumbedama. Now good night, Iguabaliama. Good morning, Toma. Good afternoon.
Hello everyone, thank you for being here. They are out for break.
Now good night.
They will come back. Now you can be learning with us. One good morning, meaning we didn't have to wait back. Yeah, go bring on. 1 minute more. That 1 minute. Good night, Iguabaliama. Thanks for watching.
Now good night, Iguabaliama.
Miss Alma, it's better than that.